everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Miss Didi. So today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you all how to fix this problem. This group can't be displayed because it was used to spread pornographic content. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you are seeing this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a video. So we begin. So please note, for you to be able to watch this video, for you to watch this content, please make sure you're 18 or 18 and above. So this tutorial is for Android users. If you're using Android, this tutorial is for you. So
got a little bit of gasoline.